Dear students, through this video, we are going to discuss about another important strategic planning tool which is called as a balanced scorecard. This balanced scorecard is widely used in all types of organizations, business organizations, government and non-profit organizations to align the business activities into the vision and strategy of the organization, to control internal and external operations and monitor the organizational performance against the set goals. Okay, so this is basically a tool which is used to align the activities, all the functional activities of an organization in line with vision and mission of the organization and the strategy of the organizations. Okay, so in all levels the strategy and vision of the organization must be understood and their activity should be focused on the overall strategy and vision of the organization. So for this purpose the companies are using balanced scorecard tool. How this balanced scorecard is used? First is translating the vision, helping all the employees in the organization and make them understand how their daily activities, whatever they do in a day-to-day basis, how it contributes to the long-term goals and objectives of the organization. So, okay, the goal is something, but even in a small or ordinary employee, an executive level or lower cadre level, they are doing some activity on day-to-day basis. So they must understand how important their day-to-day activity and how it contribute to the overall organizational goals and objectives. So that gives them a higher responsibility towards doing their job effectively and efficiently. Okay, so this is a very important aspect, translating the vision. Then communicating and linking, dissemination, that means the sharing of long-term goals in all levels of the organization, from top level management to the lower level in the organizational hierarchy, ensuring that both departmental and individual objectives are in alignment. Okay, so once the goal is known and their individual objectives and department goals should be in align with the long term goals of an organization. So this communication is very important. Okay, then business planning, so taking long term strategy and using it as a basis for how resources and capital are allocated. Okay, so here the basis for resource allocation and capital allocation is based on the long term strategy of an organization. So, okay, so here also the strategy takes the center stage in the resource allocation and capital allocation. Then feedback and learning, the scorecard enables strategic and real time learning because it measures daily performance and spending in the context of overarching goals, allowing organization to make necessary changes. So the learning is continuous. Learning updates skills and knowledge of employees. Okay, through experience they learn a lot of things. For that they need a regular feedback, so they should get a proper feedback about their daily performance and spending about the spending for various activities and reaching the goals. Okay, so these four activities are aligned together to achieve the organizational goals. Okay, this balanced scorecard can be applied in a different perspective. Okay, here I have given the major perspectives of a balanced scorecard. One is financial, internal process, learning and growth, and customer perspective. So in each perspective the particular functional aspect is given more importance. For example, in the financial perspective, it covers the financial objectives of an organization and allows managers to track financial success and shareholders value. Here the center stage is financial objectives of an organization, how these financial objectives are accomplished by the various related activities of an organization. Whereas the customer perspective covers the customer objectives such as customer satisfaction and market share. Okay, market share is attained through the better customer satisfaction level and having a better product and services to the customers. So here this customer objectives are achieved by through various customer related activities, and these activities must be aligned in a proper manner. Internal process, to improve the process, internal processes, all the activities of an organizations to reach the goal are covered under internal operational activities. Okay, so this outlines the key process necessary to deliver the customer objectives. The learning and growth, okay, it is the basic driver of future success, such as improving the human resources in the organization, improving the organizational capability, skills, okay, and knowledge of the organization. So for this, the employee may give a lot of trainings and development programs, and they improve the organizational culture, that is they make the organizations a learning organization, and appropriate leadership styles must be encouraged. Okay, so all these are done so that the learning process takes properly, so that ensures that helps the organization to achieve the organizational goals. So this is a sample balance scorecard for hospitals. Here their perspectives are different. Okay, financial, operational, customer, and clinical perspective. In each perspective, here I have listed out what are the various key factors in achieving that. Similarly, we can apply this for schools. Okay, so for each organization they have important perspectives. Those perspectives are achieved through some key activities. So by listing out those activities, so it's very easy to track the performance of each functional departments in the organization. Okay, thank you.